Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and press the bell icon. In Laravel 11, by default, the views rendered to display the pagination links are compatible with the Tailwind CSS framework. So if you are using Bootstrap instead of Tailwind CSS, the pagination will not work. In this video, you will learn how to do pagination in Laravel 11 using Bootstrap 5. In this video I will use Laravel 11, but the same method will be applied for pagination in Laravel 10. I have already installed Laravel 11 and Bootstrap 5. If you don't know how to install Bootstrap 5 in Laravel 11, click on the I button to watch the video. In composer.json file, you can see that Laravel version is 11.0. In package.json file you can see Bootstrap version is 5.3.3. Sauce version is 1.77.1 and Popper.js core version is 2.11.8. In app.js file I have imported all of Bootstrap's JS. I have created a Sass folder and within it, I have created an app.scss file. In this file, I have imported Bootstrap's SCSS. Then, within the views folder, I have created a layouts folder, and inside that, I have created an app.blade.php file, which serves as the main layout template for the application. I have added title tag and then I have added a reference to Bootstrap script and styles using @blade directive in the head section. In the body section, I have added a div element, added @yield directive, which is used to define a section of content that can be filled in by child views. In the welcome.blade.php file, I have used the @extends blade directive along with @section to define the content that will be injected into the @yield content directive. Within the @section directive, I have included Bootstrap navbar and modal components. In one terminal, I am running the Laravel application using the PHP Artisan serve command, and in another terminal, I am using the npm run dev command to compile the front-end assets. In the .env file, there is a database name which I have already created in phpMyAdmin and migrated the database. Here you can see Bootstrap navbar and modal component on the welcome page. In phpMyAdmin, you can see the database I have already created, along with all the tables. Now to implement pagination, we need some data. Laravel includes the ability to seed your database with data using seed classes. All seed classes are stored in the database/seeders directory. By default, a database seeder class is defined for you. Open database/seeders directory and you will see database seeder class. Here, the first commented line uses the user model factory to create 10 records in the users table. The second line creates a single record. Comment this line and uncomment first line. Replace 10 with 50 to create 50 records in the users table. Now we need to seed the database using db:/seed command. Click here and open a new terminal. In your terminal, type the command php artisan db:/seed to seed the database. This command will generate 50 random users in the users table. Go to phpMyAdmin. Click on the users table and you will see 50 random users. You can see all the 50 users data in the users table. Now, we need to display these users data in a table and then add pagination. But before that, we need to add a route to display the users data. Let's add the route in the web.php file. Open web.php file which is in the routes directory. Duplicate this code. Here, add the string /users which represents the URI pattern that the route will respond to. In the closure function we fetch all users from the users table using the user::all method and assigns them to the $users variable. Import user model. Now replace welcome with users to display the users blade view file. Now pass $users variable to the users view using the compact function. Now we need to create users.blade.php file in the views directory. In the views directory, create users.blade.php file. Here add @extends blade directive to specify which layout the child view should inherit. Next, use the @section directive, including content inside parentheses, to define the content that will be injected into the @yield content directive. End the section with @end section directive. We will display the user's data in a table. Go to Bootstrap website. Click on the Docs link. Press Ctrl+F and search for table. Click on Tables. Click here to copy the code. Paste the code here. Remove second and third table rows. Here we will use Laravel's @for-else blade directive to display the users in the table. Cut this table row. Paste it here. Here we will display user ID. Then we will display user's name. Next we will display user's email. Then we will display the creation date of the user. In the empty section, add a table row, and inside it, add table data with the text "No user found." If there are no users, it displays a single table row with the message "No users found." Here add the class table bordered. Here we add table headers like ID, name, email, and registered. Go to your browser. Now navigate to the user's route at localhost:8000/users. You can see that all 50 records are displaying on the user's page. Let's add this table in a container. Here add a div element with container class. Inside it add another div element with call md8 offset2 class. Cut the table code and paste it in the call md8 div class. Add MT5 to the table for margin top. Go to your browser and now you will see that the table is displaying in a container. Here you can see that all the 50 records are displaying on a single page. Next, we will add pagination so that 10 records will be displayed per page. In Google, type Laravel and press Enter. Click on this link. Now search for pagination. Click on Database Pagination. Here you can see that we need to use the paginate method to add pagination. Click on this link. You can see that to add Bootstrap pagination we need to add use Bootstrap 4 or use Bootstrap 5 methods within the boot method of AppServiceProvider class. Open web.php file. Duplicate this code. Comment out the first line. Replace all method with paginate method. In parentheses, add 10 to display 10 records per page. Import user model, if you haven't imported it. Go to the app/providers directory and open the appserviceprovider.php file. Copy this code. Paste it inside the boot method. Now we need to import paginator class. Copy this line. Paste the line which you have copied. Open users.blade.php file. Here we will add the links method to render pagination links to navigate through the user records. After the ending table tag, add $users links inside double curly braces, which will call the links method on the user's variable. Go to your browser and you will see that now only 10 records are displaying with pagination links. Click on the links and you will navigate from one page to another. Let's display the timestamp in a human-readable format. After created add diff for humans method. You can also use the format JMYGIA method, which is used to format a date and time into a human-readable format. It outputs the date in the format day, month, year, hour, minute, AM, or PM. Go to your browser and now you will see that it displays the date and time in the registered column. Let's add a header. Add an H1 tag with the text users inside the tag before the table. Remove MT5 class from table tag and add it to the H1 tag. Go to the browser and now you will see a header above the table. In this video, we learned how to add Bootstrap pagination in Laravel 11 application. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in next tutorial. Till then, stay safe.